Welcome students, myself Rahul Kotkar. In previous video, we studied about how to find the log and antilog of given number. Okay. Now in this video, we are going to study how to solve numericals using log table. Means actual application of logarithmic table in mathematical manipulations that here we have to study in this video. So let us start with our application of logarithm. First application that here we have to study multiplication. If suppose the number is given to you like this one, n is equals to 23.34 into 0.0123. We have to solve this multiplication using our traditional method also. Okay, as we are going to solve it using the traditional method, okay, means 3 fours are like that. Okay, so you will have too much time, or you must going to use a lot of times and lot of complications, and there may be possibility of errors or the mistakes produced. Okay, so to avoid that, we can use this log table for simplicity and accuracy. So how to use this one, now we're going to study here. So take a log on both sides. Okay, just take the log on the both sides of the given number. Now as per the rules of logarithm, so use the rule of log. When log of a multiplied by b, which is equals to log of a plus log of b, means when log gets separated to the each number or each term, so at that time multiplication sign get replaced by plus sign. Okay, you can see here this multiplication sign get replaced by plus when the log is separated to the both number. Okay, then as we have log of, okay, just log gets separated to each term, so this multiplication sign becomes plus here. Okay, then we have to take the log of given number. So to take the log of given number, we have to use the formula that we already studied. Okay, so first we have to know the characteristics. What is the characteristics of this number 23.34? So there are two digits in the integral part of the given number. So 2 minus 1. Okay, so 1 is the characteristics of given number. Now we have to obtain the mantissa of this number. To obtain the mantissa, okay, go through your log table. Okay, in case of logarithmic table, what we have 23 row, in which we have to observe the third column. The value comes to the something. Okay, then add mean difference of 4 in the column of 4 and 23's row. So finally you have a value 1 point, okay, means 3681. And in similar manner you have to obtain the characteristics of this number which is less than 1. So you know the formula, count the zeros between the decimal point and first non-zero digit. Okay, so how many zeros are there? 1 0. Then again add 1 to it and give minus sign. So bar 2 becomes the characteristics of given number. Okay, then after this, okay, find out the 12's 3. Okay, means in the 12th rows and third columns find out the value which comes to the 0899. And finally going to the addition of both. Okay, just make the addition of both. Okay, simple. So you got the answer like this. Now what about the plus and minus? Remember the value represented here as a, okay, this value of bar 2 represented here, which is not the same as a minus. Okay, means minus 0.0899. Okay, remember what I say, the value of bar, just wait. Huh. So value of bar 20899, which is not equals to minus 2.0899. Okay, in that figure. Okay, here only the characteristics is negative and mantissa is positive. And when this minus sign is at the front, okay, in the front of the number, at that time whole number is becomes negative. This is the difference. So remember, when you are going to add the characteristics, so 1 plus minus 2, and what it becomes 1 minus 2, and it should be minus 1. Okay, and it is the antilog of a given number. So as you find out the antilog, so while finding the antilog, do you know that what we have to find? First we have to use the decimal part, means mantissa, that is 0.45 row 8th column. Okay, that you have to find, in which you observe the value 2871, because 0 mean difference is not present in the log table or anti-log table. So how to put the decimal point? So bar 1, add 1 to the 8, so bar 1 means minus 1 plus 1 0, so place the decimal point at the 0th place. In this manner you can do or perform any mathematical manipulations like multiplication. Okay, take any 2 3 4 numbers, okay, whatever it may be, just do the same procedure for calculating the value of our final answer. Okay, and confirm it using log calculator also. Okay, means your calculator value and calculated value by the log both should be the similar. Okay, so next application, now here we have to, that is division. How to perform the division with logarithm? Okay, so let we have a number n is equals to 23.34 divided by 0.0123. Okay, then again same, there may be the possibility that more than two numbers are there in the division also. Okay, now take a log on both sides of a given number. Now use the rule of logarithm, log of a divided by b. In case of that, okay, so you should separate the log to each number by keeping the minus sign in between both. Okay, means instead of division, what is there becomes minus. In case of multiplication, what we write? Plus. Okay, just remember this simple rule. After that, just put the value of numbers. Okay, so log of 23.34 minus log of 0.0123. Okay, same values are there, just keep the minus sign instead of division. Okay, and separate the log to each value. Then log of 23.34. Okay, so as you observe here, again same phenomenon. Okay, 23 is 3 column. Okay, 23 is row, third column. Okay, and fourth mean difference that you have to observe. So you will get this value as a 1.3681, as similar to the previous example. There is no difference. Okay, I will take the same values for convenience. Okay, so after that, how to perform this subtraction? Remember, you have to perform the general subtraction, means 0.3681 should be subtracted from 0.0899 by your same method. But okay, they means what, the subtraction is 1 minus 9 is not possible, so take 11 minus 9 like this. Okay, but at this decimal point, okay, or the for integral part, what, 1 minus, and this minus becomes plus 2. Okay, and so 2 plus 1 3. So, and we have to find the antilog of this number. Antilog of 2782 is 1892. Okay, so what you have to observe, in case of antilog table, value of 0.27 in the column of 8 and mean difference 2 that you have to observe, go add them. Okay, and put the decimal point using the characteristics. So 3 plus 1 4, count the 4 places from the 0th place. 0, then 1, 2, 3. At 4th place, put the decimal point. Okay, you have answer 1898 for the given division. Understood? Okay, so next application. Now the next application to find out the power of a given number. Let's we have an example. N is equals to 13.68 fourth power, that here we have to find. So for that, take a log on both sides of a given number. Okay, use the formula log of a raised to m, which is equals to m log of a. Okay, means what? The power becomes multiplied to the given number's log. Okay, then log of n is equals to, according to this formula, the power 4 get multiplied to the log of 13.68. Okay, then 4 multiplied by log of this number 13.68. So do you know that how to calculate the characteristics? So the characteristics of the number is 1. Okay, and 13's rows 6 column and mean difference 8 have a values like this. 13's rows, okay, 6 column have value 1335, and in mean difference the value of 8th column in the row of 13 is 26, so it should becomes 0.1361. Okay, and so therefore we write look like this. Then multiplied by 4. Okay, remember, before multiplying this 4 to this number 1.1361, okay, now here I already told you, when there is the multiplication, use the logarithmic functions or use the logarithm. But now here do not use the logarithm, just make a simple multiplication, multiplied by this 4 to hold this number, okay, without taking a log. Okay, because we already took the log of this number and then multiplied by 4. Okay, don't do the mistake like this by taking the log of both again. Okay, so don't do this mistake, just multiplied by 4 to the given number. Okay, so finally you got this number like this, 4.5444, and take the antilog of this number. So antilog of this number means what? 0.5444. Okay, in the row of 0.54, you have to observe the 4th column. Okay, and the value of that should be added to the 4th column's mean difference. So finally, you have a value 3502, means 3502. Now you have to put the decimal point using the characteristics. So simple way to put the characteristics. Okay, just place the decimal point at the first place of the given antilog, obtained antilog. Okay, and write the power of 10 as a characteristics as it is. Means what? I put the decimal point up to the first place. Okay, at first place. Okay, and then characteristics should be written as it is on the head of the power. Okay, sorry, 10 means your number becomes 3.502 into 10 to the power 4. Okay, hope so understood everyone. Do try for the similar one. Okay, do the practice of many more examples and verify your answers using the calculators. Okay, the next example is your of same to find out the power, but now we are going to find the power of number which is less than 1. The previous example having a value greater than 1, here the value is less than 1. Okay, so here we are going to find the cube of the given number. Take the log on both sides. Okay, then use the same rule, log of a raised to m, which is equals to m log of a. Now by taking the log and applying the rule, we have the power of 3, power 3 get multiplied to the given number, and so 3 log of given number 0.02365. In the next step, okay, find out the value of log. Okay, so to find the value of log of 2365, what here we have to find the value of log. So 23 0, 6 and 5. Okay, 23 zeros in 6 column, the value comes to the 0.3729. Okay, and in the mean difference of 5, the value should be your 9. So as you add both values, finally you got the value 3738 after the decimal. And what about the characteristics? The 1 0 is there, 1 plus 1 2, so it will becomes bar 2. Okay, so then multiplied this 3 to this one or to this particular bracket. Okay, now the do multiplication simply till to the step. Okay, means you just multiplied by this 3 to the whole number 0.3738 as it is. Okay, the answer should be your comes here. Now only the part remains what? Bar 2 multiplied by 3. So how much? Bar 2 multiplied by 6 means what? Sorry, bar 2 multiplied by 3 means how much? Bar 6 or minus 6. This minus 6 get added to the 1. 1 minus 6 becomes minus 5, and your final answer is bar 5.1214. Now you have to find the antilog of a given number. So for finding the antilog, what's again? 0.120 first column value comes there, should add it to the fourth mean difference column. Okay, and that should be your 1322. Now again same, if the characteristics, to put the decimal point using the characteristics, put the decimal point at the first place or after the first place. Okay, and give the power of a 10 as a characteristics as it is. So it should be your answer for the same. N is equals to 0.02365 cube. Okay, you can verify it using the calculator also and do the practice for different examples. Okay, so next application, to find the root of given number. Okay, like square root, cube root, fifth root. Okay, here we are going to find the cube root of a given number, say as to 4.879. Okay, this number is greater than 1. Now same, take the log on the both sides of a given number, then use the rule. Okay, now first, this cube can be written as, okay, sorry, cube root can be written as 1/3 power. Okay, if suppose instead of cube there is the only square is there, okay, not a cube there, so how can write? You can write it as a 1/2. If suppose the fifth power or fifth root is given to you, okay, means root 5 of given number, then what you can write here? You should write 1/5. Okay, the number put in this square bracket, okay, should written as a divided here. Okay, so we can write this cube root of 4.879 as a 4.879 raised to 1/3. Okay, then use the same rule, log of a raised to m is equals to m log of a. Using that, 1/3 get multiplied, 1/3 get multiplied to the log of given number. Okay, then find the value of log. Okay, so do you know that this is the only one digit, so 0 is the characteristics. Now look the 48 rows. Okay, row of 48, column of 7 and column of 9 in the mean difference get add together, and finally you got the value 6883. Okay, and now divide by this 3 to the given number. Again remember, there is the here the division we have to perform, but don't take the log again. Okay, you just multiplied this power, means divide by this 3 to this given number. Okay, by our simple mathematical manipulation. So finally you have a value 0.2294. Okay, 0.2294 is the division of the given number. Okay, then at the last find the value of antilog. So in antilog, what you have to find? 0.2294, that here you have to find. Means what? 0.220, ninth column, in which fourth mean difference. Okay, so as you observe it, it comes to the 1696. Okay, again same thing, place the decimal point using the characteristics. So 0 plus 1, how much? 1. So place the decimal point after the first place, means this is the 0th place, this is the first place, so place decimal point at first place. So this is the example regarding to the find out the root of the given number. Now let's the next example, which is less than 1. Here also we have to find the cube root. Okay, so cube root of given number can be find out using the same method. Okay, take log on both sides. So cube root means what? Raised to 1 by 3. Same. Okay, no change, use the same formula. Okay, take the log on both sides. Okay, so 1/3 multiplied by log of given number. Now here the main point that here we have to discuss, and which is very important. Now this number is what? Bar 1.6883, means in this number the integral part is negative and decimal part is positive, means we are not able to do the process of division directly to this number. So we split it, bar 1 plus 0.6883. Okay, but what is the problem? We can't divide this number bar 1, okay, to the bar 1 by 3. Okay, means we don't get a complete answer, integer. Okay, so to get it, what we do, we just make a simple adjustment. This bar 1 can written as a -1. Okay, so what is this -2 and +2? So we are doing the addition of -2 and +2 here. Okay, why we choose the only -2 and +2? So remember, the denominator having 3, so you must have to number of the characteristics. Okay, means number having the characteristics should similar to this one. If here the 3, then you should need here 3 also. Okay, if here 4, you must need here 4. If here 5, here also you need 5. Okay, in this manner the number at the denominator and this number of the characteristic number having the characteristics both should be the same. And how they should becomes the same? When I add -1 with -2, then and then it is possible it becomes -3, that is bar 3. So I will get the complete division of a given number. Okay, so I add -2 and subtract +2. Okay, so add and subtract -2 and +2. So remember student, by mistake here 2 is typed. Okay, so it should be considered as a 0. Okay, just consider this as a 0. Okay, as similar this value. Then in the next step, what happens? This -2 and -1 becomes -3. Divide this -3 by or bar 3 by 3. Separate the denominators to each term, and this 2 and this 0.6883 becomes 2.6883. Okay, and divide by it 3. Okay, then in the next step, just bar 3 divided by 3 means what? -1, and do the same division. Okay, again remember, while doing this division, okay, don't take a log of this number again, don't apply the formula for the log. Okay, just make a simple mathematical manipulations that we perform traditionally. Okay, means 3 1s are 3 2s are like this. Okay, so the answer comes to the 0.8961. Okay, add both. As you add both, that is a bar 1.8961, and you have to find the antilog of this number. So finding the antilog again, what? 0.8961 means 89 rows, 6th column, the value come there, get added to the mean difference of column first in the 89th rows. Okay, so after that you have a value 7872. Here the bar 1 means what? The characteristics get added to the 1 becomes 0. Put the decimal point at 0th place. In this manner we got an answer for the given number or given cube root. Okay, this can be written by simple way also. Just I explained you. Okay, put the decimal point at the first place and write the characteristics as it is if you have facing complication in writing such a way. So this is a simple way to write. Okay, so in this manner you can calculate the same different values, okay, for the different powers, and try to get the answers and verify them using calculator. Okay, now we take the common example which involving all, that is a cube, power, division, multiplication, all the things are there. So for that, this number is given to you, take the log on the both sides of a given number. Okay, apply the rules of the logarithm to each and every step. So by applying them, what happens here? The multiplication takes place. What is this? Multiplication. So I will add both term by separating the log to each term. Then here this is the division. So minus log of this term. Okay, the next step. Okay, apply the rules. So 3 get multiplied and log of 3.682 comes here. Then rest to 1 by 5. Okay, this root 5 can be written as a 1 by 5. So here becomes 1 by 5 log of this one, and again log of the same value. Now take the log of all the terms. Okay, now I am not going to explain what is the characteristics, what is the mantissa. So log of this number is this one, log of this number is this one, log of this number is this one. Okay, finally again the same. Now here this is the bar 2 means minus 2, and this is the decimal part. Decimal part is here positive and integral part is negative, and it is not divisible by 5. So to make it divisible by 5, what we are going to add some value. So which value should be needed to add? Okay, so it will becomes minus 5. So bar 2 minus minus 2 minus 3 becomes minus 5, means it should be completely divisible by 5. So therefore add minus 3 and plus 3 in the given value. Finally you got the like this. Okay, means minus 3 minus 2 becomes minus 5, and this minus 5 divided by 5. Okay, and here this 3.9345 divided by 5 again. Okay, and in this manner just make the multiplications of the other terms, okay, and solve it carefully. So you will get the answer like this. Make the addition of these both terms. Here the simple multiplication, do not use the log again here. Okay, then again here 1.6980 plus this value minus this value. Okay, simple addition, then subtraction. While doing the subtraction, remember that this 1 and this is the minus 4, so it becomes 5, and finally the antilog of the given number is 2.843 into 10 to the power 5. So this particular example involves all kind of mathematical manipulations, say as to multiplication, division, okay, cube means root, as well as power, all the things involved in this example. You can also take such types of example for your practice. Okay, do the practice well, so you will become the expert in the mathematical calculations using the log. Okay, welcome. Hope so everyone understood. this video. If you have any query, you can ask me in the comment box. Okay, and we'll again come with the next lecture with the how to find the trigonometric values, or how to use the trigonometric table, as well as reciprocal and square tables. Okay, thank you for watching video.